Is that the police
Hi, I'm
officer?
Chris.
And I'm Kathy, and welcome to our channel. Guess what?
We have a visitor.
We have
my
Dwayne The Rock
grandson.
Johnson.
He's 13, and guess what he did? He powdered me.
Can you see that? It's awesome.
Yeah, I know.
He didn't powder me.
Why?
You want to straighten it out now?
No, that's what I'm saying.
Come on, straighten it.
They want to talk to you.
Me? Great.
Okay,
We'll be right back.
BRB.
Peace.
Okay, we're back. Tobin will be wandering around, I'm sure.
My sweet grandson very kindly puffed the powder on my face, and I'm sure he's going to do it again because that's what he does.
He powdered his own face while you were out there. He did.
Come here, Tobin.
I'm too white.
You forgot. Finish it.
No, I already took it off.
Finish it on me.
Okay.
Oh. Let me just pack this all over.
Oh no, I inhaled the powder up my nose. It's burning.
Feel the powder.
My grandson is going to be a makeup artist, okay?
I know. See, even just
Wow.
look at her. She looks like
Look
a
at how-
from the
I look like a cake frosting.
1700s.
Oh my God, that's right, that's right. You guys remember how they would powder
He's
wigs in
coming.
the 1700s?
He's coming back.
What the heck?
Right.
Okay, will you let him in, Justin?
You just called him Justin.
I mean, Tobin.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Too much is going on. We had 5 police cars here. 5. Yeah, 5. And 2 ambulances.
Okay,
It's crazyville around here.
I got an Urban Decay unboxing, which is what I'm gonna be doing today.
She doesn't know it, but when she's not
She
looking,
got it.
guess what? Mama's gonna steal.
Okay, against my better judgment, which one is this?
Wait, here, I'll see it. Let me see. Let me see.
Wow, Tobin, where are you going?
Get your butt back
Where are you
here.
going, boy? Come here, man.
Okay. This is Urban Decay's new mascara. It's called Lash Freak.
See, she has all the things that add lashes, and me, I suck because I have nothing to add lashes to.
I was not going to buy this because it was, I believe, $28 or 20. It
wow.
was $25.
That's the same amount of money that they cost for Better Than Sex mascara.
That was 28.
Oof.
Yeah. Hold on. Let's see what the.
I'm gonna let Tobin do my eyeshadow today.
Oh my God.
One eye only.
We're not skilled.
Oh, what? This is.
What in the world?
What it looks like.
Chris, what is that?
It's makeup.
I don't know.
That's very
We'll
interesting.
see that. Anyway, it's got a nice, heavy, nice, whatever.
When it comes time to do eyeshadow, I'm sorry. Let her finish her
Okay. The little poop head back there, Brian. This is, what is this? Okay, this was, it is.
I don't know.
It is an eyeliner.
stuff. Okay.
I got it,
Yes, an
and
Oh,
it
it's the same one I have.
is it Overdrive?
Yep.
Well, I got
Hot dog.
this. Hot dog, hot
Dog, hot diggity dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Boom, 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 boom. Do you remember? We used
Yes,
to
I
do
do.
that. Tobin remembers it.
Okay, guys, per your request, here it is. Let's open it up and see. This is the Naked Ultraviolet palette. I don't know
Oh
what
my
she.
God, that went in my eye.
Ultraviolet?
That's what it's called, dude.
What?
I love
Oh my
it.
gosh.
Oh, that's beautiful.
The
Green.
packaging, I don't know if y'all are gonna be
That's
able to see
bougie.
it, but it's absolutely
I
beautiful.
thought it was green.
Okay, let's open it up. Oh, it's got a nice brush with it. Okay, this is it.
Ouch.
It's very nice. I'm gonna do this one today, and we'll see what happens.
Hey, I can volunteer if you want me to.
No, your grandma can do that.
I'm gonna let you.
Not
do
me.
that.
Yeah.
One eye, one eye.
What about both?
Because I
wiped-
have to match
But
what
you
you
already
do.
wiped off.
No, actually, I have it. Oh. Look at me. Ooh, go ahead, sweetheart. Show them what you're doing.
Show me what you're doing.
You know what's so weird about this?
There's
You're using the brand newest outfit for eyeshadow, and I'm using the oldest one. So she's got the newest, and I'm doing the oldest.
Have you what outfit?
That. Your makeup outfit.
This is a palette.
I know. Her palette outfit.
I have an outfit.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's for your eyes.
Okay, let me see where I want to go with this. We're going to go into optimize.
Now my grandson is going to be doing one of my eyes. Which one do you want to do? This one?
I don't know. Probably, yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm just going to let you do what you do. I don't know whether I will keep it or not, but I want to make it easy for you. This is what you do to put it right here. You pick a color and you put it right there. Just whatever you want to put, you pick a color.
Can I mix them out?
Yeah, well, I have more brushes. So if you want to do, I have a lot of brushes. Look, I have all of these. Oh, and I have this one.
Kathy, this one right here would work on your inner corner.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, here. This one is for the eye right here.
Alright.
And then I have all of
Can I
these.
just do this one else for the bottom, maybe?
No, this one is for the bottom. You do it like this,
Alright.
okay? You don't have to hold them all at once. You can tell me which one you want next and I'll hand it to you,
Alright.
okay?
I want the upper one.
This one. This one right here.
Yes.
So far, this palette is lovely.
Is it? That's
Yes, it
good.
is. Yes.
Should I not be able to see it until I'm done?
It's okay.
I know it's okay. That's what it's
My
okay.
grandson is a genius, so
Yeah,
whatever
really
it turns
good
out
genius.
like, he's a genius.
Yeah.
He has an IQ level of 500.
Of 1. I have IQ number of 1 because I'm number 1.
That's right. You're
That's
my
what-
number
that's
one
what
always
my-
and
That's what
forever.
my mommy said.
I say it too.
That I have IQ number 1 because I'm number 1.
That's so sweet.
If you had an actual IQ of 1,
I'm very
you
smart.
couldn't function at all. I mean, you
2.
do like Jello.
You'd be a jello gelatin, jello
Okay.
jiggler.
Okay, don't look. Give me
Which one?
the bottom.
That one? Okay. Alrighty. Just be careful not to get it in my eye, that's all.
Make you look like Shakira.
I don't know who that is, but okay.
She's a Latin music star.
Okay, go.
She was
Wait,
in-
not yet.
Don't you want to put it in the crease? The crease is right here.
Oh yeah, the crease. Is that the crease?
Yep.
Okay, put this back.
Okay.
Man, people ask me how I become so sexy. I'm just kidding.
I'm too sexy for my shorts, too sexy for my ears, too sexy for my nose.
You have yet to hit on the right word.
I know.
Okay, done.
Wow,
Man.
look at this. Man, I look gorgeous.
Yeah.
I look
Let's-
so
let's go to
beautiful,
Walmart
man.
You know, if that I would.
I'm one of
I
those
don't
people.
care
Okay,
what-
I have to match what he's done to me.
Yeah.
This ought to be really interesting. Okay, Toe, you got to come over to the other side and tell me what you
That's
did.
why I'm still single.
You're 13. Okay, so he's got my nose kind of orange. So, what you've done, show me which one you did.
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know.
Don't know.
Which one was on the crease right here? Was it
Crease?
that one or that one? No, I mean this.
What do you
Which
mean,
which
one's
white
crease?
one was it?
These ones?
Yeah,
Like
the white
crease?
part.
Oh, the white part.
That one. Okay, so what did you
Well,
do?
no, you have to guess actually.
I'm gonna try and
Next
do
time
what
you
my
have to
grandson did.
You're being a real butthole, young man.
Well, I mean, she advised.
I love you. You're so
Oh
cute.
my god.
Okay, what was underneath?
Color.
Is it that one?
I don't know.
I think that, yeah. No, it isn't. Oh, poopy doopy.
Okay.
I think it's this one. I'm almost positive it's this one. Yep, it is this one.
This is not at all like the other one. There's no kick up, no fallout.
Now this is like Chris. This is awesome. It's like it's brand new.
Well, if you've
Is
had
it-
it in a safe environment, it should be.
Well, it's been up in the heat and everything before I got AC.
What?
This is actually, I've had this palette since we started 3 years ago.
What?
It's the only one I have left. Okay, now.
It's most definitely expired, but it's not bad.
No.
Yeah, expired milk.
Okay, so, Toey, you've got this down my nose, so we're going to do that on the other side. And you know what I'm going to do with this, right?
No.
You probably have no idea. I'm blending this in because it'll make my nose look smaller. Did you know that?
No, I don't.
Now you do.
I don't do makeup, so I never do that.
I have the sweetest grandson ever, and I've got to figure out how to do this. I don't know what color this is. Can you give me a little hint, please? Because
It's color on the palette.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
Middle.
This one?
Maybe.
Okay. Alrighty then. Let's see if we can't get this to working. Okay, now my grandson did this, so what I have to do now is I have to follow his guide. He doesn't know how to blend, so what I'm going to
I
do
didn't try to blend it.
is I'm going to try and blend what he's done and try and make a workable eye look.
That is a workable eye look. What are you trying to say there?
Okay.
I'm really unsure about the thing on the nose.
No, I'm blending it.
I'm just saying.
I'm blending.
Saying it's a new.
I'm blending it, man. Watch,
It's gonna be a
Cole.
fashion icon after that.
You want to blend it for me?
It's good how it is. It's
Okay.
good how it is.
No, I have to blend it because I got to go pick up your dad.
So
So
She's not like me, Tobin. I don't get embarrassed, and I don't care what anybody else says.
I want that
So-
T-shirt your husband bought you.
I know it's a good T-shirt. and-
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I like it and I want it. Okay.
same girl.
Now my grandson is really cool, so I've got to try and make this work. All right, Tobin. Grandma's going to try really hard to make this work, okay?
It does work though. I mean like
For who?
good question.
You're so cute. You know that?
No.
Yes, you are.
Okay, if you tell him any more compliments, he's gonna float up to the ceiling. His head's gonna be so big.
No, he knows how much I love him, so I always...
Yeah, you tell me like every 3 minutes.
See, he
And
notices.
counting.
He's such an adorable young man. But you know what? He said he was going to do for me?
What?
He's going to make spaghetti for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, we
Well, Tobin, make a guess. What would I like for dinner? Keeping in mind we're going out to get it.
Ramen.
I know.
Ramen?
No, that's where Jake went with his friends.
Oh, to the ramen place around the corner?
I don't know where it is.
I'm saying like microwavable ramen.
Oh, okay.
Well, it sounded good to me wherever he was going.
Listen, you would love this place. I'm going to take you next, okay?
Okay.
It's expensive, but you and me and Tobin will go there.
How
And,
expensive?
it's right. It's like
McDonald's.
Jennifer took me and she paid for it, and I think it's like $30 for 2 people.
That's not bad.
But it's super good food.
That's really not bad considering. Probably where we're going tonight, or where if I think I don't know if I'm going there tonight.
Okay.
It'll be
Tomorrow on date night.
tomorrow on date night. We're going. He's thinking Mexican food because that's what he
our
really,
favorite?
Yeah, that's what
Oh,
he really
boy.
wants.
Chris and I, y'all saw us on our channel. Chris and I found like a real, well actually I told her about it and then she fell in love with it. They have the best, what is it?
Enchiladas.
Oh my goodness, their sour cream enchiladas are to die for.
Well, I get chicken enchiladas.
Yeah.
They are.
I love the
delicious.
chicken sour cream enchiladas. They're
I love
yummy.
the chicken fajitas they have there.
Do you, have
Oh,
you eaten them?
wait, where
Have
though?
you eaten
Wait,
them?
hold on, where?
It's around the corner on Kirkendall. It's really
Because I was
good.
just talking about like Mexican restaurant. And you
Yeah,
said,
it
have
is.
you been there? And I was like, oh,
Oh, what is the name of it, Chris? I can't remember.
cascadas?
It might be, hun.
I like cascadas.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
Wait,
Jake had
see.
enough money to go, so
Okay.
he said absolutely yes, I'll go. And he's been there before, and Jacob came and picked him up.
Oh, that's nice.
His friends are really good about that.
I wish John had friends like that.
John has one friend, and that's your son, and that's what's.
Well, Justin really loves him.
I
I'm
was,
going to tell you right now, Justin does love John.
Yeah.
And I know it's troubling.
It is troubling
I know.
because yeah.
I know, hun.
Okay, I'm in cyberpunk right now. Cyberpunk.
You know what
She's
they're
in
going
a
to do,
concert.
right, really quick?
What?
Is he's got his tractor here. They're going to tear that house down while Justin's gone. You watch.
Did they say they were going to do it?
No, I just know how Connie's husband's mind works now. They've been talking about it for 6 months now, so
Well, yeah, he definitely can't be in it if they're going to tear it down.
nope. I've been warning Justin. I'm like, dude, you need to take better care of it. Because if you don't, you know, if you don't respect it, then guess what?
Yep.
La la. Let's sing. My grandson.
Ow!
He's actually
I
in the
can go
choir
on.
and he
No.
sings really good. He's
know.
in the admitted.
I can sing like opera.
Can you really?
Yeah, here.
No, don't do it in her ears. That'll irritate her. Don't do it. Don't.
That'll hurt, man.
La 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 la. That's my grandson.
I can do it louder, but you know, she doesn't like.
She might have a fit if you do, hun.
What if I go from like the back?
Do it backwards. La 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 la. Yeah, you could do it back there.
Oh, back there.
I don't care.
Yeah.
As long as it's not up in her ear, we're good. We're good to go.
Leave the door open or closed?
Grandma probably wouldn't like it open, hun.
Well, I'm saying I'm just gonna be for a split second.
Okay, for a split second, go for it.
Oh my god!
Tobin!
Oh my god!
How did you do that, grandson?
Oh my god!
That is crazy.
That is horrendous.
Beautiful.
I will hurt you.
Well, you know, I have a phone. I can call 911
Oh, Lord Jesus.
and Child Protective Services.
Trust
You're
me.
not my child, so I don't have to worry about it.
You're my guardian.
Oh my, you're
They
his
say
guardian?
They say parent/guardian. You're my guardian.
I am absolutely not your guardian.
That's
Is my dad
funny.
here?
No, but she is.
And Grandma
Dad.
adores my boy. He's so sweet. He's so sweet. Okay. Let's see if we can't get this to blend. Tobin, I've done a look because of you.
Is that an actual look?
Yeah, but I'm not finished. I'm not quite finished. Yep, but I absolutely love this palette. It's just a matter of I gotta tone it down a little.
Well, you can just keep it how I made it to be.
Well, I had to add to it because that's what we do. We do complete looks on here.
Well, like, if you tell me to do, like,
I know
We
she-
normally don't have 13-year-olds on here.
yeah.
That I'm excited about it. You know, his dad said
Yeah.
he could, so I'm happy that he's on here.
He gets more views than we do.
Yeah.
Hey, Toe, you want to do
mistake-
two burps?
Now, come on, guys. Wow. You said 2. You're at more than 2
Yeah,
right
we're
now.
multiplying. We're multiplying. Here, wait, sorry, my hearing. You have to do it again. I couldn't hear you that time.
One more and that's it, because Nana, I'm calling her Nana.
I.
Oh! Very good.
You're both gross.
Very good. Come on, give me 5. Okay, that was ta-da! That was our little burping contest. Well,
I'm
me-
gonna have so much to write in the the section where I
just say, can you please shut Kathy up from burping?
Kathy and Tobin, you mean? Because I'm not blaming that all on
Toady,
him.
toady, toke, toke. He's my boy. He's my boy. Oh. What's that, Tobin?
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I'm
What?
trying to figure out where my brown eyeliner is. Oh, here it is, I think. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Toe.
Look what you started, dang it.
Wait, hold on. Hey. This
No.
Is cool. This is a cool video. I should look.
Show it to me.
It's really here. Wait. That's why she didn't see it. Hold on. Let me just. Here, might see like look. Here, let me just get the angle. Look.
I didn't
I
burp.
insist. I insist.
No.
Oh, Tobin. Oh my goodness, you're funny.
I'm gonna,
What's up?
What are you gonna do?
well, right now I'm gonna put glue on my, oh my gosh, what's happening?
What's up?
It's coming out of the,
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. See, I don't have anything like that to, oh no. Is it coming out of the side? It sure,
Yep.
how?
I don't know, thank God I've got another one.
Chris,
What?
don't throw it away.
Oh, I'm not going to. I'm going to keep using it. I just can't figure out.
Could you find a thing on how to do cat eyes
Yeah.
real quick? If you don't mind.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to pick up your daddy whenever he calls.
You know it's going to be a while.
Yeah, I really hate that though because. Thank you, Toe. Now I have a new way to do it.
Alright.
Now I understand. Like I've got to look now because it's very hard. Like one is up and one is down, and oh my Lord Jesus, this looks horrible. This is the eye I can't see real good out of, so I've got one eye that looks beautiful and the other eye is lackadaisical. I don't know what else to call it other than that. Okay, so I definitely need some kind of a bright and shiny something in the middle. Let's see if this will work. Ooh, that's pretty.
Okay.
I'm doing a half cut crease if I can get it to come. Oh boy.
I think this video needs to come with a warning label. Most definitely.
Yep.
It does.
Yep.
What?
I would be putting it on here. Warning in captions.
Warning.
Burping, squealing, high-pitched noises,
And
are
urban
on this
decay.
video. And urban decay. That's right. Urban decay first. And then burping and high-pitched noises. Warning.
I'm going to put Tobin's back. I am. I'm gonna put
But
Tobin.
nobody knows, right, Toe?
What?
Nobody knows.
About what?
Do they know? It's been a long
About
time.
what?
About our burping videos.
Honey, they obviously do because the dude asked for it. I mean,
Yeah, but that was an old video that I sent you.
no, he's talking. We're talking about the video the other day where I put, "Could someone please stop Kathy from burping?"
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Okay, well, Tobin, looks like you have a
Could you
fan.
stop that?
Oh, Lord. You
Ugh.
Okay, Kristen doesn't yell, so don't do that in her ear.
Oh,
Don't act like Calvin, please. He yells constantly, nonstop, about everything and anything that he can yell about. And then some. I love you
Did
so
you
much.
just compare me to Calvin?
No, you're not. Not all the way. Nope.
Not all the way.
Nope.
no, fraction.
Just a fraction. No, but you know what? You need something to do. You need something to do. Yes, you do. Okay, I can't see squat. Can you see it here, Chris?
Can I what?
Can you see in here?
Well,
I can't really see. It's like getting darker and darker.
it's getting later and later
Yeah,
and
you're right,
later.
because of all the what for that's been going on.
Okay. Well, I wanted to use this. However, I don't think it's gonna go.
It's not going to work.
Well, I don't know. We'll see.
Okay. Are you bored out of your gourd, Tobin? Huh?
No.
Okay, good. Ooh, is that rain?
It is thunder. I was telling you.
Man, I didn't realize. I'm really hoping that he can at least cut the grass in the backyard. It's pretty high.
Is he still mowing?
I don't know. I'm not really sure. You know what I forgot? To bring my Kleenexes. Yep, I sure enough did. Blast it all. Why? Why?
I don't know why.
This makeup is in really good shape. So, you know, these older palettes, they did something to them that really made them last longer. I don't know what it was, but
What did I?
I like you.
No.
Oh, poopy diaper.
No, it wasn't.
I think what I'm going to do is, since I want to find out and kind of scope the land out. I'll go up there for like a week vacation next month because it's going to be calming down and a lot cooler. And I'm just going to go up there for a week or however long I feel like it and just see what it's like.
Okay.
Take a little look-see and see if I like it enough to move up there.
Now.
So I'm introducing my rabbit baby to a lot of new things, and she's like so cute. So baby's, she ate a carrot for the first time today. And let's see, what else did she eat that was first? Oh, I went and bought this food thinking that it was for, you know, rabbits. I didn't realize that all the things that are in it, they put that Todd's hay in it, but it's everything. It has nuts, the whole 9 yards. And so she ate some of that, and that was the first time for her.
What'd I do, man?
There we go. Now, oh, let's look. Yeah, I did a cut crease pretty good today. Let's see. This. I don't know if he's even mowing anymore.
Since there's
Maybe it's in
thunder.
the backyard. You know what I mean?
Well, I mean, it could be.
Yeah, I just can't hear anything. Jennifer had a dream, and in the dream she was chewing Lance out about everything and anything.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like, why, Jenny? And she said, I don't know, but I dreamed it, and it felt real to me. And she's cute when she talks about these things. She's kind of like my grandson. If he talks matter-of-factly, he just tells you how he feels, and he's a very honest person. The only time he's not honest is if he has to repeat what his dad said. Oh. Look at that, Chris. See what I mean?
That's
Weird.
that's normal with what I use.
Is it?
I don't know why you just take the extra off on the top. Don't get rid of it. 'Cause
No, I'm not. You kidding me? I like this mascara. A lot.
Okay. Alright, I just have to do my inner corner, which is not going to be with tripping, because tripping, well, no.
Yeah, I need my inner corner too, but I don't have a color in the
I'm
palette.
gonna call
Oh, wait.
someone's calling me. I'm gonna
Okay.
What, sweetie?
be right back.
Okay. Might be his dad. La la la. Dude, if I would have went out the way he made me up. He said he wanted me to be Shakira.
Hey,
Yes, honey?
so my dad wants us to start coming over right now.
Is he seeing already?
He's about to get extra.
Okay, well, I'll have to do it after I get through doing my eyes. You can text him real quick and tell him that they won't let us in the hospital, so all we'll be doing is sitting in the car. I don't know why he thinks that we can get in there.
Yeah, everything's
Yeah, I'll put on speaker.
Okay, you go ahead and put it on speaker. Let me know when you get him on. Go ahead and text him, Tobin, because he probably isn't allowed to answer the phone in there.
Well, let's just.
Go ahead and text him and tell him that they won't let us in the hospital. We'll be waiting in the
Hello?
car. He just needs to know that we'll come up there the second he's ready, but they won't let us in there.
Sorry, well, it doesn't make a difference. Probably don't want us to go anyways.
What, baby?
Probably doesn't make a difference. I just kind
Is that Calvin? Is it? No? Okay.
Okay, well, honey, I'm actually on camera right now, so I need to... No, not yet. Alright, bye-bye.
Boy, we're being bombarded with... You know, today all day it's felt like Saturday.
Yes.
I don't know why, but it has.
How does it feel like?
And it's all... I don't know. I'm not sure why. But it does feel like Saturday to me.
Hello?
Calvin, son, would you tell him they won't let anybody in there?
Hello?
We'll just be tell him to call us when he's ready. When he's
Wait,
leaving.
so Grandma told me that we're not allowed to go in though.
Well,
Okay, guys.
Sorry.
Been pretty
What
quiet.
were you saying? Though?
Whack.
I'm in room 5, bro. You can either come on or have Kristen or both take me out. Get Grandma up here, bro.
Alright. Alright, see ya. Bye.
he's gonna be ugly, man. I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna be abused by him. He's made me cry a lot today.
Okay, I'm going to set my face. This video, I don't know how in the hell I'm going to edit it.
Just leave it alone and say this is a real uncut.
Did you want to see, you know, no edits? Wow, here's
Yeah, just
one.
tell him no edit.
Whoa! 50-minute video!
I know, right?
How much subscribers you got though?
What, sweetie?
206.
How much have you gained in for like each video?
Not much.
Like, what do you think's the like per like video? How much?
Ouch. What, honey?
How
We
much-
don't really get very many people. I don't know why.
Okay.
We're a special kind of something.
My thoughts on this is I love it. I have to do it a second time, but I didn't have any trouble with it. Nothing. And it just blended beautifully. Color choice, great. So
It is pretty.
let me.
I'm very happy with what I did today. Very happy. And I'm wondering why I haven't done it in a while.
So who's gonna take me over though?
What, baby?
Who do you think's gonna take me over then?
I can't let you walk in there alone.
No. I'm gonna have to cut all this out.
Okay, sweetie. Thank you. Just don't cut out the good parts.
Oh no, there's just not gonna be that many on this one.
There's a lot of good parts in here with me and him.
This
They're memories
has,
for me.
has broken down here somewhere.
That's the one you gave me.
The one I gave you. What do
You gave me the blush. The blush one.
This is
It did the
glitter
same thing.
glue.
I know,
Yeah.
but it did the same thing. Is all I was saying.
Okay. Okay, and where's the...
Davy Crockett.
These
the Wild Frontier.
are awesome, but they're also $22 a piece.
Yeah, they're expensive, but they are nice. For true. Okay. Can you believe this is still working?
No, I cannot.
I can. It's awesome.
Jake was saying that I needed to go to that Romani or ramen.
Oh, you'll like it. Trust me, I went there. They have good food. I don't know whether it's the same one, but I'm pretty sure it is. It's
Well, it's not too far from the house.
is it the one? Well, see if I could have talked to him and asked him, asked him if it's the one right there in front of Walmart. Now see, she looks gorgeous. I look like poo-poo. This is my final look.
Mom left her coffee in here.
So guys, thank each and every one of y'all for your participation in our channel. I love each and every one of y'all very much, and I'm grateful for you.
Okay, no matter where you are, I hope you're well, better than us, and we will see you on the next video.
Bye guys.
Bye.